Hey everyone, it's Wyatt from Affordable Comfort, and today we're going to talk about the benefits of upgrading your toilet. Upgrading your toilet is a simple way to boost your home's efficiency and comfort. From saving water to enhancing your bathroom's look, modern toilets offer numerous benefits. Water efficiency. Newer toilets use significantly less water per flush, helping you save on utility bills and supporting environmental sustainability. Improved comfort and performance. Modern toilets prevent clogs, offer better flushing, and come in comfort height models, making them more accessible and ideal for seniors and those with mobility issues. Advanced features. Dual flush options, bidets, heated seats, and automatic lids are just some of the advanced features that enhance comfort and hygiene. Aesthetic appeal and home value. A modern toilet upgrade can elevate your bathroom's design and increase your home's value. Environmental impact. High-efficiency toilets reduce water use, lessening the strain on municipal systems and supporting sustainability goals. Long-term savings. Though more expensive upfront, modern toilets can save you money over time through reduced water use and maintenance. In conclusion, upgrading your toilet modernizes your bathroom, saves water, and boosts your home value. Ready to make the switch? Call Affordable Comfort today for a personalized quote and take the first step toward a more comfortable, eco-friendly home. From everyone at Affordable Comfort, have a great day.